and welcome to Around the House. Today we're going to be doing some fertilizing of the yard, and I'm going to be using the Scott's Turf Builder Weed and Feed. It says it clears out dandelions and clover guaranteed. Each bag that I got, it's a pretty big bag, it's 42 pounds. It covers 15,000 square feet. I got 4 of these bags, and we'll see how this works. So I put the GoPro on this lawn spreader that I got. I just got it at Tractor Supply for about $80. It has the rubber wheels. It has a hopper that holds about 70 pounds of material, and it's a Groundworks Pro Series. Actually, it still has the price tag on there, $79.99. It seems to be pretty sturdy. The only thing I don't care for is the agitator. It just seems like a little, cheap last-minute type of agitator to clear out the material, so I'm not sure if it would work on salt. But I have a pretty large driveway, and it'd be nice to have a spreader that works on salt. But I have a pretty uneven ground, as you'll see as we go along, so I wanted to get the wheels that had air so it goes over better terrain. I didn't want wheels sticking and hanging up and getting aggravated. But the setup on this, it says 3.5 to 4. So I have the setup for opening up the chute, 3.5 to 4. As you can see, it just opens up a little bit. It's pretty granular. I don't know if you can see in the video, but it has some chunks in it. So maybe it got moist along the way. Alright, so that's about it. It didn't take the whole 50-pound bag. So easy, huh? There's a lid, has a plastic top on it. So just in case I get around some trees, I don't want any water getting onto this, so I'll put the cover on it. Yep. This area to my right, I'll just use a little handheld spreader, because this is way too much. It would waste way too much material. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Oop. Wow, that broadcast's pretty good. To the right, it doesn't seem to spread too well, and it spreads to the back. So I'm wondering, maybe the hole in the hopper should have been in the front, where in this one it's in the back. So I'll have to check that out some other time. The better spreader, because this terrain, like I said, is uneven, and it spreads very well. So it looks like one thing good about having the cover on it, if you have any type of breeze or anything, it won't blow out of this hopper and into your faces, so it's probably a little bit healthier to keep the I'm 2 bags into this so far. Each bag was 15,000 square feet. So we're at 30,000 square feet so far. And this stuff's not very cheap. It's $62 a bag. But I guess for as much as it covers, it's not too bad. Earlier this morning, I was showing you how these dandelions look dead. I guess it was a little cool last night, and now they're starting to bloom again as the becoming daylight. So this will be a better before and after. in a couple of weeks. So we'll call this part 1, and then in a couple of weeks we'll do part 2 to follow.